Welcome, Milano family, to another episode of the Milano Cooking Show. Today, we're doing something so simple. I think this is the easiest one ever. We're making a salad. It's not your standard salad. This would be a cucumber chickpea salad with homemade dressing, and it was brought to us by Kourtney Koonce from DeBordieu. So, look at it. Look at how gorgeous it is. And I'm going to dish myself just a little plate. And I left the feta out if we want to add a little bit more. But look at this. Oh, it's just wonderful. Look at this. And then for decor, we're going to add on a little lemon. And we're going to add on our roll. And look at this. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So down below, we have the recipe, exact ingredients, and what to do, but I'm going to take a taste. Let's just see. Oh my God. This is heaven. Watch it. It's so easy. Everything is kind of pre-cut and done, but we want to make our delicious homemade dressing. So what we're going to do, have a little mason jar. Super simple. I'm going to add in the juice of a whole lemon. We're going to put in a quarter cup of olive oil. I'm going to do this without making a mess. We've got some garlic, and I'll pop one in there. And again, ingredients, the exact ingredients will be down below. So, that's wonderful. I'm going to put in a little bit of mustard, just to give it a little something. We're going to add in, this recipe, by the way, is from Kourtney Koonce from DeBordieu. So once again, Milano family, so DeBordieu residents are submitting in recipes to the DeBordieu Stroll magazine, and they come to us, and then we are going to make it for you and test it out. So you guys send your recipes in, even if you're not from DeBordieu. All right, so we're going to put in, so Kourtney, in her recipe, she adds in a bit of sumac. I don't have any sumac, so I'm going to compromise and put a little oregano. At home, I have another one. It's Middle Eastern. It's called za'atar. That is really what I would replace it with. But again, her recipe calls for sumac. We're going for oregano. You guys give it a whirl and we'll see. But the recipe sounds great. So we're going to add in some salt. We're going to add in some pepper. And then what we're going to do is add in just a bit of red wine vinegar. Okay. And we're going to take our little mason jar and we're going to shake her on up. Oh, looks delightful. Looks really, really good. Okay. So that's already mixed up and ready to go. Now we're going to move on to doing the actual cucumber and chickpeas. And chickpeas, what are these? These are garbanzo beans. Yes. This is what you make your tahini and everything with. Anyway, so I salted the cucumbers a little bit, kind of let it sit. We've got our garbanzo beans. I'm going to pop those in. We're going to take about a quarter cup of, I put cilantro because I didn't have parsley, but Kourtney's recipe does call for parsley. So to be perfectly honest, I've something about back and forth, but today we did cilantro. Then we're going to go with about a quarter cup of a red onion. And we're going to, I had a little leftover avocado. It's not called for in the recipe, but I'm just adding it. So before I give it a twirl, I want to show you how, just the layers of loveliness. Look at how good that looks. Right? Then we're also going to add in a little salt and pepper too. A little salt, a little pepper. Okay. And we're going to toss this up a little bit. And then we're going to toss our dressing. It's going to be such a beautiful, beautiful salad. Oh, sorry. Let me do another sheet. Just make sure. So, and we're going to just, can you see this, Miss Shana? Just wonderful. And I'm going to close that up. Gonna toss it. Oh, I am dying to take a taste of this one. And we're gonna top it with a little bit of feta. Oh, look at this. That looks great. And we have our rolls. Guys, we have lunch. So, once again, thank you for joining us on the Milano Cooking Show. I'm waiting for your feedback on my recipes. And I also want to hear more of your recipes. So send us DMs, and we can't wait to see you in the showroom, or we'll see you on the next episode of Milano Cooking Show. See you then.